You'd want to use a pot that's a lot bigger than the original pot, otherwise it's not really worthwhile to repot it. So that one's about 10 litres and this one is probably about 25 or 30 litres. So here's the compost. So the idea is to simply add a bit of compost into the bottom of the pot, then the plant. So now we're going to add the compost to the pot. There we go. So that you have good covering in the bottom there. You want to make sure that there's plenty of room for the plant. The level is pretty good. Scrape a few of these weeds off the top. We're going to actually add wood chips at the end here, try and stop the weeds from growing. Now we're going to take a bit more compost. Here's another shovel of compost, trying to fill all the gaps on the sides. Don't ever compress soil in pots, because the only way plants can absorb the water is osmosis. You don't ever want to compact soil if you can avoid it. There's a bit more needed here. Oh, that's a good level. Good 5 centimeters or 2 inches from the top. Now we're going to fill up the rest with wood chips. There's the wood chips now, and we're going to mulch this olive tree in the pot. As unusual as it might seem, but you can mulch plants that are potted. As easy as that it is. That'll stop the sun from drying it out too quick. And it can look nice too if you clean it up a little bit. So, there we go. And now we're all done. Now that plant, I'd imagine, will be fine in that pot now for the whole year. And it'll grow bigger. Bigger the roots get, the bigger the growth above, with trees anyway. Oh, if you liked the video, please do go to our website, gardensforlife.ie, and take a look at our Facebook page. Thanks for watching. Good luck.